Hey guys, so I finished Jordan's YouTube Advanced Masterclass along with his Premier Mastermind membership webinars. As being part of his course and community for a while now, I've had the privilege of gaining 2 monetized channels and currently building a third, also without showing my face. What I enjoy most from Jordan's courses is his endless support, not just from him, but also the people from his group. It's easy to purchase another YouTube course, but it's hard to get that ongoing support. And Jordan has cultivated that as part of the culture in his group. 3 reasons why you should buy Jordan's course. 1, his strategy and content is always up to date. 2, his community is second to none. They're there to always offer support, and sometimes it can come out at a cost, which is totally worth every penny, depending what you want to do. 3, he sells his courses at the cheapest price point against his competition. And unlike other courses which offer 1 to 3 hours of content, try 10 to 20 in a single course. That's a lot of value for what you pay for. So get them now while it's still the lowest price. For me, the main reason why I purchased his course was because in the beginning, I didn't want to show my face. But after I got my first channel monetized and then the second, and now I'm building my third, I really don't mind. And look at me, I'm feeding my daughter right now and I'm still going. So thank you Jordan Mackey for your courses and everyone in the group. See ya.